Are you trying to grow your business, but you may be getting stuck on the technical difficulties, technical challenges of setting up all the tools, all the software, or anything that can help you to automate and systemize your business? Maybe you are an affiliate marketer, coach, and consultant who is going through some sort of training and getting stuck on implementing certain aspects of the training, maybe sales funnels, email marketing, appointment setting, or what have you. Well, if this is you and you would love to have some sort of ongoing support with implementation, get your questions answered without the need to actually having a full-time coach, then I have a great proposition for you. I would like to invite you to Digital Business Garage Workshops Facebook community, which is a monthly ongoing support where we will be covering aspects of setting up and optimizing digital footprint, and how you can actually optimize everything that you already have, or maybe create certain elements in the business that you are lacking in order to help you increase the sales and improve your lifestyle as well, and save you a little bit more time. Then this is something you should look into. We will be covering every week. We will have a live coaching sessions, group coaching sessions, where you have the opportunity to ask any questions and get that question answered live. We will also cover topics such as like creating your brand consistency, creating your leads on the autopilot, setting up sales funnels, setting up email marketing, setting up appointments, optimizing your every single aspect of your business online. So if that sounds interesting to you and you don't really you are not very ready to get a full-time coach, or maybe you're not ready to just have a one-to-one session with me, then I suggest you will join our Facebook community, Digital Business Garage Workshops. Click the link below to join.